This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Neil Bennett. This is your new home with views of the water. Notice the slate-style newer roof and the no-maintenance exterior vinyl siding. Upon entering, you will appreciate the gleaming wood flooring through this home. The dining room is open to the remodeled kitchen, which features granite breakfast bars, pantry, glass-faced cabinet doors and all appliances. In the living room the focal point is the antique wood surround for the ventless gas log fireplace, a great place to snuggle on cold nights. Through the glass door is your cozy den and TV room with access to a full bath and the slider to the large deck out back. Moving upstairs are the two larger bedrooms and a smaller room, great for a home office/nursery and a full bath. 1-year warranty. Back outside is the large car garage, workshop, half bath and a second floor that can be used as a man cave or she shed with a balcony. There is a rear access road for your vehicle to get to the garage or cement parking pad. Across the street is the water. For more information